Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Threads update changed my account or your account. So if your Threads account looks different after an update, don't worry. So updates can sometimes change settings, sync data from Instagram, or temporarily cause profile issues. So in most cases, your account hasn't actually changed permanently. So here's what you need to do. So first is to restart the app. So a temporary sync issue can make your account appear different. So close threads completely, swipe it up and swipe it away. Then reopen the app. Then pull down on your feed to refresh and see if that works. Next is to restart your device. So restarting your phone can resolve temporary glitches after an app update. Next is to update threads again. So if the issue is caused by a bug, Meta may release a quick fix. So open the App Store or Play Store and search for Threads. Then check for another Threads update. Then click Update and install it if available. So once done, reopen it and see if that works. Next is to log out and back in. So open Threads, then click your profile in the bottom right. Then go to Settings in the top right. Then scroll down to the bottom and click Log Out and confirm your action. Once you're logged out, sign back in and see if that works. Another thing you can do is to go to your settings, scroll down and go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down and select threads. You can click offload app, so this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So confirm the action. So wait for reinstall app to appear and click on that. So you need to reinstall the app to place back your data and it will only take a few minutes. So just wait for it to be done. So once done, reopen threads and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.